Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a minimal, accurate inventory. This is the single source of truth. Start with device model, serial, firmware, and management IP so you can reach equipment immediately. Next, collect access methods, SSH keys, console cables, service accounts, store them in a vault with clear owner fields. Once done, sketch a basic physical map showing racks, power feeds, and interconnects so you can prioritize equipment to document first and avoid surprises. You now expand the inventory into detailed topology and configuration records. Start by drawing logical diagrams that show routing domains, VRF, and peering relationships so anyone can see traffic flow. Then export running configs and annotate critical sections, ACL intent, NAT ranges, co-S classes, and routing policies. Make sure to capture VLANTport mappings and spanning tree roles, because those explain broadcast domains and failover behavior. Once this middle documentation is complete, link diagram. You finish by validating and publishing, run ping and traceroute tests, perform config diffs, and do a backup restore dry run so documentation matches reality. Then publish everything into a central repo with versioning, change logs, and clear owners so changes are tracked. Finally, add rollback steps and a contact matrix for incidents. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Rerun a config diff against the last known good backup to isolate unintended changes quickly and revert safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.